And welcome back to the channel. Jeremy Funderburg here, and if you are watching this video, it is because you are probably a coach, consultant, or agency owner wondering, how can I really grow and scale my online business in 2024? Well, if that is you, my friend, then in today's video, I'm giving you 4 strategies that you can use to grow and scale your business to millions of dollars over the next 12 months. So, I'm going to break down this into 2 parts. Part 1, I'm going to cover what the 4 things are, and in part 2 of this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can almost effortlessly execute at the highest level. So if you're ready, my friends, then let's dive in. Alright guys, I am going to show you these strategies, and it's going to be absolutely game changer. Because a lot of people know these strategies, some people have heard about the strategies, but most people don't know how to actually execute and implement the strategies. And I'm going to show you how to do it in a way that is different than what anyone else is teaching. But first, let me show you what the 4 things are. And you can actually get the book by Alex Hormozi called $100 Million Leads. Now, there's more ways than this, but he talks about the core 4. Now, the core 4 are going to be the 4 methods that you can use to actually grow your business. The first one is going to be warm outreach. This is when you're going to reach out to your sphere of influence. There's going to be people in your sphere of influence that either can refer business for you or can actually do business with you. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to reach into that warm circle, the people who already know, like, and trust us. Now, outside of that, we also have cold outreach. They have no clue who you are. They don't know who you are, they don't know what you have to offer, there's no relationship there. These are cold calls, these are cold emails, these are cold social media DMs. The other thing he talks about is you can post free content. And then the last part of the core 4 is you can run paid ads. So make sure you add that into your notes. These are your core 4. These are the 4 things that you can use to grow your business. Do warm outreach, cold outreach, post free content, or you could do paid ads. Now, next thing is, I'm going to show you how to actually implement each of these. Alright, so this is exactly how you're going to do this. Starting with your core 4, we're going to start with our warm outreach. So you're just going to go to your closest friends, closest family, let them know about your offer. Make as big of a list as you can. I start off in network marketing, and I would help people build massive lists. Like, you should reach out to every single person in your phone. The worst they can do is say no, right? It's not going to hurt you. Let them know, and do it in a way so that way you don't even have to feel bad about it. This is what you're going to do. You're going to let them know, hey, I just started this business. This is what I do. This is who I help. Do you know anyone who would be interested in this? You're going to be able to get deals from that. It might be 1, it might be 2, it might be 3, depending on your sphere of influence. Some of y'all might get 8, 9, or 10 deals from that. Make sure you're charging enough for your services, by the way, so that way you can actually put all this into place. From there, we're going to go to cold outreach. This is how this is going to work. Now you're going to start structuring your business. You are going to hire your team. You don't have to worry about doing cold outreach yourself. We're going to put a team in place for this. So we're going to break this team into 2 departments. It's going to be sales and marketing. First thing you're going to do is you're going to hire 2 VAs, 2 virtual assistants from overseas in the Philippines, and they're going to do your cold outreach for you. So both these VAs together is going to cost you $500 a month each. So that's $1,000 total that you're going to spend. If you're spending enough on your offer, that should be no problem. So you're probably charging $5,000 or more a month for your offer. There's no problem to take $1,000 and spend it on 2 virtual assistants. Now, if you need help with the virtual assistants, my company can help you. myvafast.com. We'll get you a great qualified virtual assistant that's already experienced, can handle all this for you. Your cold outreach VA is going to send 1,000 cold emails every single day and 150 cold DMs every single day. 1,000 cold emails, 150 cold DMs every single day. You're going to book a bunch load of appointments from this. This will probably get you 30 or more appointments per month. This virtual assistant is going to cold call, and they're going to make 150 to 200 calls every single day. This is probably going to book you another 15 to 20 appointments every single month. So the 2 together, you're going to be getting around somewhere between 40, 45, 50 appointments every single month. You should be able to close a bunch of deals just from that. If you have a 10% close rate, you're probably getting 4 to 5 deals just from that. At $5,000 a month each, you do the math. you're making between $20,000 and $25,000 extra a month just from your cold outreach. Now we have our content. I suck at content. I get it. This is how this is going to work. You're going to hire another VA. This is going to be your media VA. You're going to say, hey, this is what my business is. This is our target market. I need help with my content. This virtual assistant is going to give you your content ideas. They're going to instruct you on how to film the videos, what you can say in the videos. Then they're going to edit your videos for you. So now all your free content is top of the line content taken care of a virtual assistant that's costing you $500 a month. So now your team is costing you $1,500 a month, which you should be able to pay because your business is making between $20,000 and $25,000 a month. So you're still making a lot of money at this point. Okay, so now we got our content out there. Now we got our content out there as we're doing cold outreach. It's going to be easier for people to look you up, do a deep dive, and get pre-sold on you before they even hop on the sales calls. So now they're more likely to buy, which means your close rate is going to go up. So now you're getting more appointments because people are finding you from your content. And because they look at your content, your close rate goes even higher. So now you have more appointments and more people buying. So now it's just, we have way more money coming in. At this point, you're probably making around $30,000, $35,000 a month. Now let's scale this bad boy out. So now we can run paid ads, which means we could take a few $1,000s a month and throw it into advertising to book another 50 or so appointments. Jeremy, I don't know how to run paid ads. I get it. Here's the other key. Now we're gonna hire our ads VA. We're gonna have a VA that's experienced in running ads, and that VA is gonna run all the ads for you. Once you do this, put all this in place, you should be at $85,000 to $90,000 a month. And that's conservatively. So it's 4 VAs, 4 virtual assistants working for you. So it's you and 4 virtual assistants. All you're doing is taking sales calls at this point, but all your appointments are being booked, your content is being helped with. I guess you're also creating content, very little time for that. And then someone's running all your ads for you. So your whole team is costing you $2,000 a month to have an $85,000 to $90,000 a month business. And this is how you're going to scale your business to $1 million in 2024. And once again, if you need help getting the qualified virtual assistants that already have the skills and experience to do that, you can go to myvafast.com. I'll also link to it in the description. But I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, drop a comment. Let me know what's your biggest takeaway. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see y'all in the next video.